new medical block where the students of Aieraa Overseas studies and the international students will be studying there. So they have constructed a new block in the beginning, in the front of the campus. So that's a medical block for us. So the block is newly constructed, so that's why the instruments will be transferred from this block. All the laboratories and the instrument will be transferred from this block to that block. So it's that way around. These are the campuses. One has nursing, engineering, pharmacy, medicine. This is the library of Dai Nam University. So look at how big it is. It's the library of Dai Nam University. The first and the second floor is the library. The 2 floors are the library of the Dai Nam University, right? Basketball ground, and this is a football ground, and you can see there's some training going on, like NSS. So this is a playground in Dai Nam University. So we'll go to the next department now. So this is a beautiful university. Okay, this is a military court where the students get trained. They do gun shoot here, and they have other trainings here. So they also give training for students for their fitness, right? For defense, everything. So this is the faculty of nursing in Dai Nam University. So we have, they have a nursing college, they have pharmacy, they have physiotherapy, and also they have the mainstream, the medical education. Yeah. So now we'll go to the medical department. We'll start seeing the laboratories of the medical department. We'll see the medical block. Hi. So what is this? Chemical thing. So this is a chemistry lab or a microbiology lab? All labs, okay. So these are the instruments. Okay, this is an ultrasound. So I think so this is used for simulation lab. Yeah, these are instruments used in the simulation lab. So you have, this is a biochemistry department. So they have a few of the instruments here. These are some microscopes here. So we go to the next department, please. This is a biochemistry department. Now we go to the anatomy class. There's a class going on. So here, this way. Hi. Hello. So the students are working here with the simulation, practicing in the simulation lab for the giving birth of babies. Yeah, please come. So what's your name?
My name is Chau.
How? Which year you're in? You're a medical student?
Yes.
You're doing general medicine?
Yes.
So what are you doing here? Okay, you're giving birth to the baby. Okay, you're practicing that here.
You're right.
That's great. Every parts of the human body. And this is a model for the full body. Seminar hall where the students will have their meetings, they'll have their classes sometimes. If they use the AI to have the classes. So this is the seminar hall of Dai Nam University. So all these are LED screen, and this is 400-seater seminar hall. Sometimes when they teach on AI, some guest lecturers and online classes. Students get gathered here and they go for they have the training sessions in this hall.